आज के कार्यक्रम के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
Today's program I would like to call, first of all I salute the symbol of knowledge Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is the creator of Constitution. So therefore again I talk to about the Constitution and creator of Constitution of India, because Dr. Baba Sahib has done and did for all the color, caste and creed. Whether we talk about the SC, ST, OBC, minorities and all the country's people, Baba Sahib is known the seventh scholar of the country. Suppose we talk about the Baba Sahib and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, then we feel and felt about the struggle of Baba Sahib. Baba Sahib was, is and would be the great achievement of the country, and each every person of our country, whether we talk about the child to old, everyone salute and follow the Constitution of India, because we talk about the fraternity, brotherhood and about education. Then we are day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, decade by decade, our country is progressing and developing only basis of Constitution of India. Everybody getting the opportunities. So I request and appeal all the peoples of our country and all the persons of our country, all men and women, always remember the struggle of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. Even we talk about the road to parliament, each every MLA, MP, CM, PM, President and all the justice of our country, because Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar was the symbol of justice, symbol of courage, symbol of knowledge and symbol of education. Earth to sky, Baba Sahib has done well deed, task and work. So everybody follow the persons of Baba Sahib's thought, feelings, emotions and all nailed to hair and toe to top. Even honorable, respected, regarded Prime Minister of country always scatter the thoughts, feeling of emotions of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar, whether village to farm and farm to station, bus stand and all the even airport also would be the stick of Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar's photos, statues, so that everyone realize and identifies and recognize the Baba Sahib's dreams. Baba Sahib dreamed about the modern country where all peoples get food, water, air has not favor, sun has not favor and even nature has not favored to somebody about color caste. But why the peoples of country discriminate the persons who is so and who is so and who is so? Nothing. Everyone is equal in front of Constitution. Before the Constitution, all color, caste and creed, whether we talk about the SC, ST, OBC or minorities, whether they are living in the road and city, village and even forest, we call about the ST. But they are also getting progress, only bless of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar. Everyone salute, all the ministry salute, all the parliaments members salute, all the justice, all the IPS, IAS, SDM and labor to last person and peon to principal also salute and pray the dedication, devotion and distribution of the Baba Sahib's thoughts. So I would like to stop my talk and lot of compliments on behalf of the Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar's birthday, 133 birthday now we are celebrating, and all the persons, men and women and child also are present here. Why they are present here? They are present for the good and happy education. That is why again I request to all the peoples of our country, child to old, please, if you want to peace in our country, then definitely you salute the dedication of the Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Definitely we will progress, we will develop, and we will growth of our country and our life also as well too. My stop, I talk again. Salute Honorable Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Thank you.